A zigzag stitch is variant geometry of the lock stitch. It is a back-and-forth stitch used where a straight stitch will not suffice, such as in reinforcing buttonholes, in stitching stretchable fabrics, and in temporarily joining do-work pieces edge to edge. When creating a zigzag stitch, the back-and-forth motion of the sewing machine's needle is controlled by a cam. As the cam rotates, a finger-like follower, connected to the needle bar, rides along the cam and tracks its indentations. As the follower moves in and out, the needle bar is moved from side to side. Very old sewing machines lack this hardware and so cannot natively produce a zigzag stitch, but there are often shank-driven attachments available which enable them to do so. Zigzag attachments. Older sewing machines which only sew a straight stitch can be adapted to sew a zigzag by means of an attachment. The attachment replaces the machine's presser foot with its own, and draws mechanical power from the machine's needle clamp. It creates a zigzag by mechanically moving the fabric side to side as the machine runs. The zigzagger's foot has longitudinal grooves on its underside, facing the material, which confer traction only sideways. This allows the zigzagger to move the material side to side while the machine's feed dogs are simultaneously moving the material forward or backward in the usual manner. Singer zigzaggers. Singer produced variety of Singer automatic zigzagger attachments over the years, including part numbers 160,985 and 161,102. These zigzaggers are equipped with pop-in cams for making 4 different zigzag stitches, as well as a bite control for choosing the zigzag width. 4 cams are included. There are also sets of additional different cams, 4 cams per set, sold as Singer stitch patterns for automatic zigzagger. All cam sets are Singer part number 161,008, and contain the following cams. The number 2 red set is included with the 160,985 and 161,102 zigzaggers. Older number 2 white sets have red-colored cams. YS Star Zigzagger. YS Star is a brand of Japanese sewing accessories that once included a zigzagger, model YS7. Like the Singer zigzagger, it fits almost any low-shank sewing machine and draws mechanical power via an arm connected to the machine's needle clamp. Its stitch pattern is controlled by small flat rectangular metal templates, 7 of which are included. 2 versions were made. White Zigzagger. The White Sewing Machine Company produced a zigzag attachment like the others. It was called the White Zigzag Attachment, part number 1640. Rather than using cams or templates, it is much simpler, offering just a single control for adjusting the bite. Blind stitch. A blind stitch is a variant geometry of the zigzag stitch. It is also called a blind hem. It is composed the same way as a zigzag, except that the individual zigzag pairs are each separated by several straight stitches. Its purpose is to create a nearly invisible hem, because only the zigzags penetrate to the visible side of the material, minimizing their number minimizes their visibility. References